Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, yellow class. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Today, Mr. Sadad is going to demonstrate to you how to make astronaut helmet. Now, I hope you are ready because I am ready. So to make astronaut helmet, you are going to need, of course, if you have old newspapers, that's good because that's going to do the trick. But if you do not have any old newspapers, you also can use some used papers like this. Okay. Now, if you use papers like this, you are going to need 10 of them. Okay. Now, but here I have even bigger paper. All right. These ones are also used. So this size papers, we only need 4. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to glue these 2 papers. To do that, you are going to put some glue over this area, over this edge. Okay. So let's get some glue and put it here. There. Okay, so this is the last piece, last paper that Mr. Sadad is going to stick to make the bigger paper for our helmet. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to do, we are halfway there, we're almost done. Now, so now what we are going to do is we are going to make a tube. So we are going to glue this part over here and meet this side with this side. Let's do that. So now we are done making the helmet, making the tube. But something is still missing here. We are still missing the opening for our face to be able to look outside. So we are going to make a hole the size of our face around here. Okay. You can also decorate it a little bit further to make it more look more realistic. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so now we are completed our helmets. Okay. So now that's your final product should look like. Beep 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 beep. I'm in the space floating around. Okay. Yellow class, Alhamdulillah, that's all for today. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.